Learning outcome C and learning outcome E togetherly we'll discuss uh, here. Okay, I already uploaded these notes. Yeah, I already uploaded these notes. Now we are going to discuss it. Can you please read it? I'm
Sensitivity,
making, yeah, I'm making it bigger, little bit bigger, so that you can see easily. Yeah.
it is the property of a thermometer of which liquid thread reading on a scale increases more or less with a specific temperature change. For example, if a thermometer has a fine bore, then length of liquid thread will be more for a specific temperature rise than a thicker bore, hence the thermometer is more sensitive. Again,
Okay, so here we have sensitivity, right?
yes,
So sensitivity is related to the liquid thread of the thermometer. Okay,
mm,
you know the liquid level rises and it goes down, right?
yes,
So for a temperature raise, like if it is increasing 1 degree Celsius, then length of the mercury is increasing in one of the thermometers. It is increasing 0.1 centimeter, and other thermometer it is increasing 0.2 centimeter, right?
yes.
So which one is more sensitive? The one which one is increasing 0.2 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is possible if the thermometer has you know fine bore. Fine bore means its diameter is smaller. Okay, the thermometer's diameter is smaller. That time we are having the fine bore. Okay, can you please write it on your copy quickly? Sensitivity.
Yes. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, then I gave you one example. I gave you one example that is you write here. I'm writing also. For example, uh, for 1 degree 1 degree Celsius temperature rise, uh, if one thermometer has increased in liquid thread 0.1 centimeter, and the other one has 0.2 centimeter, and then the other has 0.2 centimeter, then the second thermometer is more sensitive. Okay, did you write?
Yes, sir.
So this one is helping you to understand what is called sensitivity, right? And here, how we are getting sensitivity. Okay, we are. Did you write it?
Yes.
Okay, if you are done with writing, then this one you write. For example, if a thermometer has a fine bore in bracket you write smaller diameter.
Yes, sir.
So what example I gave is giving you the same thing, right? From
Yes,
here, for a specific temperature rise, uh, then a thicker bore, hence the thermometer is more sensitive, right?
yes, sir.
If the length of the liquid thread will be more for a specific temperature rise, then the thicker bore, hence the thermometer is more sensitive. So you got the theory and practical, right? Both.
Yes.
Now you see again a thermometer with a smaller range is more sensitive. So for this one, to understand range, we are going here first. Huh? Look here, what is called range? Range is, it is the difference of, can you write what is called range? You give a gap, huh? Give a gap. Then you write here range. It is the difference of lower and higher temperature a thermometer can measure. Huh? See MCQ 5 of worksheet 10 where thermometer R has the greatest range. So if you have uh, some thermometers, I'm showing you from the Google Drive. Here we have it here. Today I will upload this worksheet. You will try it at home. And that about that worksheet we are talking now. MCQ 5, they are
Yes.
talking about MCQ 5, right?
Yes.
Look, this diagram is giving you how many thermometers? Four, right? PQRS, four thermometers. Then first one is giving you from 0 degree to 25. Second one is giving you 30 to 40 degree, right?
Yes.
Third one is giving you 0 degree to 250 degree. Fourth one is giving you 100 to 300. 100 to 300 means the difference is 200,
Yes.
isn't it? So the range is 200 here, range is 250 here, range is 10 here, range is 25 here. So which one has the greatest range?
Yes.
R. Yeah, R has the greatest range. Why? Because it's giving you 250 degrees Celsius, right? 0 to 250. But S is giving you 100 to 300. That means the range is only 200. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So which one has greatest range?
R.
R. Is it clear now? Range?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you write. You write it. Range. Range you write, and already you saw MCQ 5. So it's clear to you. Please write quickly. Huh?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, very good. Now We have here discussion about the sensitivity. I told you to keep some gap. Look, a thermometer with a smaller range is more sensitive. Write it. Huh? A thermometer with a smaller range is more sensitive as length of liquid thread increases more for a specific temperature rise. Till here you write.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, good. So a thermometer with a smaller range is more sensitive as length of liquid thread increases more for a specific temperature rise. Now we are going to again MCQ 5 to understand why Q is more sensitive, why thermometer Q is more sensitive. Okay, do you want to understand?
Yes.
Okay, look here, we have 30 to 40 degree, right?
Yes.
So this one has the least range, 10 degree only, right?
Yes.
This one is 25, this one is 10, this one is 250, this one is 200. So this one has the least range, right?
Yes.
And which one have least range? We are saying that one is more sensitive. Why? Because from the definition of sensitivity, we understand that if you are increasing 1 degree Celsius, like 30 to 31,
Mm.
then the liquid thread is increasing here most. Right?
Yes, sir.
Like for this one, uh, from 30 to 31, if you go, it will go a very little change, right?
Yes.
And for this one, if you are going from 100 to 101 degrees Celsius, it will go for a little change, right?
Mm. Yes.
So it will have less sensitivity, it will have least
Mm.
sensitivity, it has also less than Q, right?
Yes.
So which one has the most sensitivity? Q.
Q.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So theory practical matches. Now last one about sensitivity. So sensitivity, we are getting from smaller diameter, sensitivity we are getting from smaller range, and sensitivity we are getting from larger bulb. If the bulb is larger, then sensitivity is more. Can you write it
Yes.
please? Then I'm explaining. Larger bulb. Are you writing?
Yes. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, if your bulb has more liquid, that means your bulb is larger and your bulb can contain more liquid, right?
Yes.
So what can this liquid do? This liquid can absorb more heat from the surroundings, right?
Yes.
And the liquid will, if the liquid is taking more heat from the surroundings, it will expand more. If the liquid is expanding more, then the liquid level will rise more, right?
Yes.
And we know that if the liquid level is rising more, that means your sensitivity of the thermometer is more. So it is clear, right? Sensitivity.
Yes, sir.
So sensitivity is increasing if the diameter of the capillary is smaller, range is smaller, but the bulb is larger. Okay, two things is smaller and one is larger. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, range you got. Now linearity. What is linearity? Linearity already we understand from the calibration. Can you remember we got 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, we got 10 centimeter.
Yes.
So if your temperature is, for example, 50 degrees Celsius, then what will be length of the mercury? 5 centimeter, right?
Yes.
If the temperature is 60 degree, then what is the length of the mercury?
6.
6. So you see, with your 1 centimeter increase, the temperature is increasing 10 degrees Celsius, right?
Yes.
So length of the mercury level is directly proportional to the temperature rise.
Yes.
We can say that this one has linearity. Okay, if the length of the liquid level is rising with the temperature rise, like directly proportional, then we are saying it linearity. Okay, now can you please write it? Just 2 minutes, huh? By 2 minutes we will finish.
Yes.
This whole thing is done, right? The
Yes.
example also done,
Yes.
and this is uploaded in your Google Classroom also. Okay, and we wrote here MCQ 2, 8, 10. If you do, you will understand linearity. Okay. So I am uploading the worksheet. Please try as much as possible, huh?
Okay, sir.
And you send me the worksheet, right? 8,
Yes.
9.
8 and
The
9.
yeah, corrected one. Okay, Allah Hafiz, huh?
Allah Hafiz.